Installing a GPU adapter. Note: different GPU adapters will be used in different systems, but the installation procedure will be the same. Press the retainer clip downward. Open the retention latch. Align the GPU adapter with the PCIe slot on the riser card. Then, carefully press the GPU adapter straight into the slot until it is securely seated. Close the blue latch. Connect the riser card cables to the processor board. Lower the riser assembly into the chassis. Close the blue latch on the GPU air baffle to secure the end of the GPU adapter. Fasten the screw to secure the riser assembly. Connect the GPU power cable to the GPU adapter. Install the top cover.